Good morning and Jai Swaminarayan. In today's lecture, we are going to do the revision for our mathematics subject for grade 7th. Just watch this video very carefully. Along with this video, I will be sending you a PDF file of today's discussion. Here you can see that your mathematics exam will be conducted having 30 marks. The syllabus is chapter number 1 integers, chapter number 2 fractions and decimals, chapter number 3 data handling. No graph will be asked. Yes, there will be no questions on graph. Yes, of course, questions related to arithmetic mean, mode, median and probability will be asked. Chapter number 4 simple equations and chapter number 5 lines and angles. Note that questions will be in form of MCQs and student must provide the solution for the questions asked. Now let us go through a sample paper. Here you can see in question number 1 you have to verify that left hand side is equal to right hand side or not. Yes, you have to perform this sum and give the answer. Your option is equal to or not equal to. In question number 2, a question is asked and you have to choose the answer from the options given below. Of course, you have to do the solution and you have to just tick mark the answer in the online examination and provide the solutions afterwards. Question number 3 is also a sum which you have to calculate and you have to tick mark the answer. Question number 4 is very easy. You have to find the half of 4 whole 2 upon 9 and you have to answer. Question number 5. As you can see, in this also you have to perform the solution. Question number 6 is a basic question which you have already learnt in your previous standards, that is 5th, 6th and in this current standard 7th standard also. Question number 7. Find the mean of the first 5 whole numbers. You have to find the mean and give the answer. In question number 8, you have to find mean and median both and you have to select the answers accordingly. Question number 9, it's on probability base and you have to give the answer. Question number 10, you have to find the unknown value of m and answer the following from the options. Question number 11, here it is from data handling chapter. All these sums we have already done in our mathematics notebook. I have already provided the solutions to you. Kindly calculate these sums in your revision notebook which you have already prepared for other subjects. You do not have to prepare any other notebook for mathematics subject for revision purpose. Question number 12, as you can see, you have to find Lakshmi's age. This is also a basic sum which you have already performed in your 6th standard. Question number 13, it is from chapter number 5 lines and angles. You have to provide the measure of angle x, y, z and accordingly you have to select from this given options. Question number 14, you have to find the pair of corresponding angles. Only you have to name this, which are the corresponding angles. And question number 15, you have to find the measure of angle x. This is 110 degree, this is angle 1 and accordingly you have to find x. Students, kindly note, all these 15 questions have been already solved and sent to you earlier while the respective chapters were being taught to you. So kindly refer that solutions and answer accordingly in your revision book for mathematics subjects. For next week, I will be providing you the solutions. Thank you. Take care. Be safe. Do the revision nicely. Bye-bye for now.